All right, my little hearties, let's do page 240, shall we? All right. Oh, no, I lied. It's 243. Get your pages right, yo. All right, 243. Math message, use your fractions. So do the page, and then you come back here and see if you did it right. Alrighty. Alrighty then. Okay, use the fractions to solve 4 divided by a third. You got 4 circles. You're going to divide each one of those circles up into thirds. You get the Mercedes sign. There, now they're in thirds. So 4 divided by third, 1/3 equals, how many pieces are there? You got it, 12. You take 4 whole things, divide it up into pieces that are 1/3 big, you end up with 12 pieces. And again, don't go away. All right. Next, using the common denominators to divide. Okay, so I'm here in the bottom half of 243. All right, here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 problems. Let's do number 1. 2 divided by 1/5. 2 divided by 1/5. We've got to get the same denominator. So we want this denominator to have a 5. So guess what? I'm going to put a 5 down here. I just made that 5 times bigger because it was a 1. A 2 used to be like that. I turned it into a 5. Made it 5 times bigger, so I'm going to make that 5 times bigger. So this, instead of 2 now, it should be 10. 5 divided by 5 is 1. They go away. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, denominators. Nice to see you go. This is 10 divided by 1. It's 10. That's the answer to the first one. 2 divided by a fifth. If you take, and that makes sense, because if you think of 2 circles, and we're dividing them up into fifths. Oh, God. Why did I say I was going to do that? I think that's it. There. Fifths. So if I take 2 things and I divide them up into fifths, how many pieces do I have? I very clearly have 10 pieces. Yep. All right, there's number 1. Number 2, a fourth divided by 4. All right, we got to have the same denominator. So I'm going to stick a 4 here. Made that 4 times bigger. Just multiply the 2 together. That's the trick. Just multiply these 2 together and it works. Make that a 16. 4 divided by 4 goes away. We have 1 divided by 16, which is 1/16. Were you thinking that 1 divided by 16 is 16? Oh, no. No. Do not think that. Okay. Next, we're up to number 3. A half divided by 5. So we got a 2 down here. I need a 2 denominator here, which makes this a 10 up top. All right, these go away. 1 divided by 10, 1/10. There you go. Oh, by the way, where it says check, basically just means you do the reverse thing. Do your answer times this. So this was a half divided by, what was it? A half divided by 5 divided by 5 equals 1/10. To check it, I would start with my answer, a 10th. I'd multiply it times that, times 5, and see if I get a half. A 10th times 5 is 5/10. Guess what? That equals a half. So this is what you write for the check part. All right, let's do the last one on the page, and then we're done with that page. We got 4 divided by a fourth. Got to write this with a 4 in the denominators. Put the 4 there, which makes this a 16. Those go bye-bye. 16 divided by 1. That is your friend, the 16. Okay, so you can see 2 and 4, similar, but reverse. 1 and 3, similar, but reverse. Are you noticing a theme here? You're bright. Okay, that's it for that page. Let's go to the next one.